trying to get to this natural hot springs, but they don't plow this road in the winter, so you have to hike up it. And I'm carrying a bunch of heavy Amazon gear, so it's a few miles, but basically what I want to do is get nearby it, because I mean, as you can see, like, this is a popular spot. People come out here even though it's snowy. So I'm gonna find somewhere nearby and pitch a tent, and then we'll go check it out like in the middle of the night. All right, that's way too heavy for now, bro. I'm dropping that shit. Oh God. All right, we're gonna fucking use the snowshoes. Everything up there by that tree. Maybe here even. Fucking hate snowshoes. Alright, I finally got all my shit out of all the deep snow. Alright, I'm gonna set my tent up in this little flat spot. I'm gonna do a time lapse setting up the tent. Check this shit out. that'll be my fire pit. Yeah, boy. All right, so that'll create a good base for the fire. All right, that's the setup. I can't even lie, that's pretty bougie. We got 3 pads. The fuck they put in this wood, bruh? All right, finally time to take a dab. All right, that'll be good for a minute. Let's get some water boiled. Ah, smoke in the eye. the little K-cup. We're doing some fucking crazy shit. What the fuck? Some fucking bullshit, dude. What is wrong with me? Sausage. Oh, fuck me. I just dipped my ass in the snow. Oh. Well, the hot chocolate did make me feel better. Now I'm wondering if I want to go check out the hot springs. I'm not sure about anything at this point. Well, you know what I do know? I haven't taken a dab in a while. This little design I've got going on, I kind of built the fire in a bit of like this drainage ditch. But dude, it just is funneling the smoke in one direction to my fucking face. The whole time, I'm up like about ready to call it, bruh. Oh my god. Alright, well, I'm gonna go see if I can find the hot pots. And hopefully find my camp again. Every now and then I find myself in a situation that's like, how the fuck did I get here? Dude, I'm fucking spooked. I can smell the hot springs. I think we're close. Oh, it stinks. Even in the dark, you can see how blue the water is. It's crazy. And it stinks too. I guess I'll keep that. Jesus Christ. I mean, come on, bruh. I think I want to go in there. There's a cave behind that waterfall, bruh. There's a cave behind that fucking waterfall, bruh. Ain't no way. Alright. Bro, this shit is hot as fuck. Oy. I thought this was gonna be warm, bro. Where's the light? Oh, shit. How about this one? This one's probably hot as fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, that's too hot. Oh, too hot. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay. Oh. Oh, that's nice. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh. Well, now what? Now for the not fun part. Oh. Oh. Oh shit. Look, I didn't bring the towel. Fuck. Alright. God. Okay, let's try that again. Alright, I'm all warm and dry. I just gotta do one more thing. Alright, there's only one way down this shit. Shit. Alright, I made it back to my camp. We've still got some embers, so let's get a fire going. I don't think I want to drink that, to be honest with you. Smells like farts. Oh, that's pretty hot. Okay. This is how I'm gonna stay warm tonight. Other than my bougie ass sleep system. Why do they call it a sleep system? Stupid. You're a fucking nerd for that, by the way. But I'm heating up some water to go in here, and this is gonna go inside of my sleeping bag. And everybody is going to be so happy. Dude, I burnt my bottle. Oh, it's not. We're good. Alright, I've got some Ritz crackers and some chocolate. It's simple, but this is one of my favorite snacks. I'm just gonna set them out on the wood here. Get them melted. Oh no. Fuck. Go for this fucker. I'm ready for bed, Doug. All right, good morning. I slept pretty good. It was a little bit cold, but that's expected, I guess. We're gonna get a fire started, have some coffee. My water froze. All right, we got a K-cup. For breakfast, I got this pre-made bag of oats, butter, and brown sugar. Cook up. All right, we got some creamer. Woo. Oh my. You wouldn't catch me eating this at home, but out here is so good. I did my best to put my tent on a flat spot, but I just kept sliding towards the bottom all night long. But whatever. That happens. It seems to be unavoidable. I don't know why. I'm just doing some dishes, and then we'll probably pack up, call it a day. Camp all packed up, got the fire put out. It's time to go. Oh, that's pretty. All right, well, I'm just walking back to the car now. If you watched this, I appreciate it. I don't really know what the fuck I'm doing. We just out here. We really be out here. See ya.